Welcome to the Global Spirituality Mahotsav 2024.
शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्ति वनस्पतयः शान्ति विश्वे देवः शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधिः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
The Vedas and Upanishads were humanity's first steps towards spiritual evolution. The Vedic verses held subtle techniques that ignited deep feelings, tuned the body and mind to rise to a higher vibration, a state of enlightened bliss. The most invocative of prayers, the Gayatri Mantra, was chanted to the rising sun, a meditative start to the day.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
You are the effulgent sun. I meditate upon you with reverence. May you enlighten my mind. Sage Patanjali encapsulated the spirit of yoga. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha tada drashtuhu swarupe vasthanam. The true purpose of yoga is to dissolve the noise of endless thought. When the mind is quiet and focused, it begins to sense truth within. Hundreds of millions of yoga practitioners across the world discover stillness and silence in this sadhana every day. Indian masters devised many pathways to reach the goal. Sage Vyasa designed the concept of Karma Yoga in the Bhagavad Gita. He demonstrated how a Karma Yogi could be at peace even in times of intense conflict. The protagonist Lord Krishna teaches the warrior Arjuna to fight with equanimity and remain in a state of bliss even at the moment of death. In 600 BC, Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara, evolved Jainism with its purity and poise. He taught the 5 vows of non-violence, truthfulness, non-covetousness, chastity, and non-attachment.
नमो अरिहन्ताणम् नमो सिद्धाणम्
In 500 BC, Buddha evolved his eightfold path to nirvana, a beautiful prescription of right view, speech, conduct, resolve, livelihood, effort, mindfulness, and samadhi. This 8-spoke wheel of dharma rolled across South Asia.
Sangam Sharanam Gacchami.
Around the 4th century BC, Adi Shankara conceptualized Advaita Vedanta. His teachings are quoted even today by quantum physicists, mathematicians, and philosophers.
Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham
Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. When you identify with your own blissful consciousness, you merge with the universal truth of existence. 1580, Guru Nanak inspired Sikhism, created a path replete with the spirit of self-sacrifice and surrender.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरपो निर्वेद अकाल मूरत अजूनी से भन गुरु प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच.
The Bhakti movement took Antarik Shanti into the domain of pure love. Bhakti Yoga was all about surrender amidst a state of grace. The tradition of Meera and her bhajans still reverberate in the hearts of 1 billion people.
गोवर्धन गिरिधारी नैनन में छवि तिहारी. हे गोवर्धन गिरिधारी नैनन में छवि तिहारी. मन तड़पत है दर्शन को, मन तड़पत है दर्शन को. हे जगन्नाथ अवतारी, हे जगन्नाथ अवतारी.
Every performing art of India has a secret link to bliss. The purpose of dance and music is to discover joy in action, the artist often getting in a flow state, merging with the spirit within. Nadopasana, the meditative act of deep listening, could lead you to rapturous joy. Whether it's the sound of music or simply the sounds of nature, deep listening can lead to blissful joy. Indian masters across the ages treaded paths of inner peace that reached the far corners of the globe. As Swami Vivekananda, addressing the World Parliament of Religions at Chicago in 1893 said, "I am proud to belong to a nation which taught the world tolerance and universal acceptance." The 19th century marked the proliferation of a new generation of masters. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Sri Aurobindo, Swami Vivekananda, Babuji Maharaj, Ramana Maharshi, Jiddu Krishnamurti, Mahesh Yogi, and so many others, each taking the torch forward and serving as global ambassadors of inner peace. In the 19th century, the Baha'i faith introduced the world to peace and bliss through human values of togetherness and love. World peace can only happen when inner peace dawns in the hearts of a critical mass of people. India has long been a Vishwaguru, a world teacher, spreading the light of bliss as an antidote to the venom of intolerance. The Global Spirituality Mahotsav is a step forward in the evolution of Indian spirituality into a global phenomenon. We salute the efforts of thousands of spiritual masters who are contributing selflessly to this noble cause. Like the roots of a vast banyan tree that hold the soil from being washed away, our masters, each unto themselves, serve to hold the fabric of society from crumbling. Now and forever, India shall remain at the forefront of this noble endeavor.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग्